In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your publications theme on Substack. If you're looking to give your Substack publication a fresh look, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps together, from accessing the Substack dashboard to saving your new theme settings. Let's get started with the essentials. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to your Substack home. This is where all the editing magic begins. Once you're there, locate the dashboard drop-down. It's your gateway to managing your publication settings. Now click that drop-down and select your specific Substack if you have more than one. After selecting your Substack, look for the settings option. This is crucial as it holds all your customization tools. Once you've clicked into settings, focus your attention on the left side where you'll see an option labeled branding. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to dive into editing your theme. You'll want to click on the Edit Theme button. This opens up a world of possibilities for your publication's aesthetic. First things first, you'll be choosing a web background color. This sets the tone for your entire page, so choose something that complements your content and resonates with your style. Next, let's choose an accent color. This color typically highlights important elements, so ensure it contrasts well with your background and adds a touch of personality to your site. Once your colors are sorted, you can move on to fonts. Changing your heading font can dramatically alter the feel of your publication, so browse through the available options and pick one that stands out yet aligns with the content. After selecting a heading font, focus on the body font. This is crucial for readability, so choose something elegant yet easy on the eyes. Now consider the style of your links. You can opt for colored links to maintain a more modern aesthetic, or underlined links for classic readability. It's all about what fits your overall design vision. With these changes in place, don't forget to click on Save. It's easy to get carried away and lose your progress otherwise. Moving on, navigate to the Homepage tab to tweak your header style. Your header is the first thing subscribers see, so ensure it's inviting and visually appealing. Think about the post layout next. Whether you prefer a list, grid, or groups, this decision should be driven by how you want to showcase your content. Finally, toggle the advanced layouts for more in-depth customization. Here, you can explore configurations that add a unique touch to your publication. To wrap up, once you're satisfied with all your customizations, be sure to click on Save once more to solidify your changes. And there you have it, a revamped Substack theme that reflects your style. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.